Ngucanio iria ikoretwo igumire mugunda wa Ruaraka iguru ria nu mwene mugunda uyu undu umwe na mariri ma ciringi mbirioni 1.5 kuri biacara Francis Mburu muthia yerekeire guthira thutha igoti nene guku bururi-ini gutuithania cira uyu. Itua-ini ria igoti riri rionanitie mugunda uyu uri wa makiria ma eka 13 kuna ni wa muingi na kuga mariri ma ciringi mbirioni 1.5 kuri muhuri biacara Francis Mburu mari mugaru wa watho.
The acquisition of the land on which the two schools sit was illegal and contrary to the Land Act. It fails to secure the public interest by ensuring that the title to the land acquired was registered in the two schools' names and that it was contrary to Article 201 of the Constitution.
Makiria jaji atatu aria mekuheanaga itua riri ni mamenire kamiti ya kuramata migunda makiuga ni ahingicire ministry ya githomo kuri hamuri biacara uyu itambite gutabanio uthuthuria kinyi wa nu mwene mugunda uyu.
The eighth interested party faulted the applicant for failing to conduct due diligence to satisfy itself that the request for compulsory acquisition of the land occupied by the two schools met the constitutional threshold prescribed by Article 40 Sub-Article 3 of the Constitution and failing to establish that the process leading to the acquisition was proper and accurate.
Marihi maya mare matafaniro hindira Minister Friend Matiang'i Minister wa githomo makoretwo magitumura maoni ngurani kunditiganite kiuga marihi maya ni magumirwo ni ungumania na mari mugaru wa watho. Cira uyu wahanditwo ni kamiti ya kuramata migunda mwaka muhituku ikienda motaro ma igoti megie kana cukuru wa muthingi wa drive-in na Ruaraka High ciakitwo mugunda-ini wa thirikari kana wa mundu kiumbe. Andu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.